Okay, looking at the next question, ninth exercise 6.1 ninth sum. The length of time in minutes that a certain person speaks on the telephone is found to be the random phenomenon. With the probability function specified by the probability density function, f of x is given a e power minus x by 5 for every x greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. Your question is find the value of a from the given f of x. So what is the PDF probability density for sum of the probability density function is 1, right? So integral 0 to infinity, 0 is given and greater to 0 is given. So the range is 0 to infinity, and 0 to infinity f of x dx is 1. Here f of x is a e power minus x by 5. Now if you integrate this one, for integration you will do e power, any integration of e power n, that is e power minus e power an or ax will be, integral of ax will be dx, that is e power ax divided by a. That coefficient of a should come in the denominator. Only if it is x in given means x power n means you will add that n, is not x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. But if it is given in the e function, e power ax means you have to integrate like this, e power ax by a within the limits, given limits, minus infinity to infinity, if the limit is from minus infinity to infinity. So generally this is the integral function, function for e power ax. So when you integrate this e power minus x by 5, you will get e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5 within the limits 0 to infinity. Now 0 to infinity, that is equals to 1, upper limit minus lower limit. So 0 to infinity e power infinity minus, when you apply that 0 lower limit, it will be e power 0. Now e power infinity is 0, e power 0 value is 1. This is again equals to minus 5a, this cross it here, minus 5a into e power minus x by 5. This is a into, okay, this is a into e power minus x by 5 by minus 1 by 5, which you can write it as minus 5a, and the upper limit minus lower limit, which you can write it as 0 minus 1. This is equals to 1. So 5a is equals to 1. Your a is 1 by 5. So first you have found the value a. Now b sum is find the probability that the number of minutes of that a person will talk over the phone is less than more than 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes, and between 5 and 10 minutes. So more than 10 minutes, how many? Probably how many will be there? That is what number of persons, number of minutes, so you have to find it. Okay. Now probability in minutes, it is given. The function is e power minus a e power minus x by 5. With the limits 10 and above means 10 to infinity. That is your limits. So 10 to infinity, you integrate this e power minus x by 5, it will be e power minus x by 5 by minus 1 by 5. The limits from 10 to infinity. Apply the upper limit and then the lower limit. E power infinity is 0, e power minus 10 by 5. Cancel 10 and 5 two times, that is e power minus 2. So already 5 is there, denominator 5, and this 5 will get cancelled, right? You will have minus of minus. So both minus will come here. So minus alone will come in front, 0 minus e power minus 2, that is e power minus 2, which is you can write it as 1 by e square. Similarly, you can write x less than 5 for the probability that a per number of minutes that persons will talk over the phone. If it is less than 5, for less than 5 you write x as less than 5. Okay, first one is x greater than 4, that x greater than 10, then x is less than 5. The third one is between 5 and 10, that you are going to do it. So only the limit range you are going to change it. For less than 5, it is 0 to 5. So 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5 dx. So we integrate e power minus x by 5 by minus 1 by 5 and apply the upper limit first and then lower limit. So by upper limit, if you apply e power minus 5 by 5 is e power minus 1, and the lower limit e power 0 is minus 1. Before you have minus 1 by 5 and this 5 gets cancelled, you have a minus. So minus of minus, here this 1 becomes plus. So 1 minus e power minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by e, which is e minus 1 by e. Second, third one, between 5 and 10. So if the x lies between 5 and 10, the probability of a person, number of person that speaks less than, that is between 5 and 10. P of 5 less than x less than 10. So the range is from 5 to 10. The same f of x dx function. Right, f of x dx function, integrate this, again you will get e power minus x by 5 by minus 1 by 5, 5 and 5 gets cancelled, minus sign is there, and e power minus x by 5, 10, 5, upper limit first write and then lower limit write and do the subtraction. So e power minus 10 by 5 is minus 2, e power minus 1 by 5 by 5 is minus 1, this is 1 by e square, this is 1 by e. Now take 1 by e outside, both has 1 by e common, so take 1 by e outside, you will get like this. So 1 by e minus 1 by e outside, you get 1 by e minus 1. So 1 minus e by e, since you have 1 e outside, so you can bring a minus sign outside, you put inside, so it will become z minus 1 by e square. So for the probability which lies between 5 to 10, the value is, probability value is e minus 1 by e square.